The guest check-in mode is used to get the majority of guests checked in smoothly and efficiently. As each guest arrives, you can find them on the guest list by scrolling or searching. Then, simply tap to attend and send them off to their table. Marking a host as attended will bring up a window that shows their guest list. This will let you mark other guests as attended who may have arrived with the host. It's important that you ask the host if there have been any last-minute cancellations. If so, you can cancel those guests here, creating open seats so those using the Manage Guests mode know where they can seat walk-ins or unassigned guests. Walk-ins are guests who did not pre-register for the event and whose name will not appear in search. These guests must be handled by someone with access to the Manage Guests mode. If someone happens to check in and has no table assignment, you can mark them as attended, but be sure to send them over to someone using the Manage Guests mode so they can be seated. That's it! Have a great event!